Oh, okay, good afternoon, students. Listen carefully. Today again I am going to revise the question answers of the chapter number 3 in geography. Chapter title is Minerals and Power Resources. Student, this is a revision video. Now my second time I am sending here. And today what will you do? See this, that take the correct answer. You take the correct answer, you will again revise and write in your revision notebook in geography part. Question number first is, name any 3 common minerals used by you every day. वो कौन से मुख्य मिनरल्स हैं जो प्रत्येक दिन आप अपने डेली यूज में इसका प्रयोग करते हैं. So these are particular minerals here given. Number 1, salt. It is very important mineral in each and every time available in your home and kitchen. Second one is gold. Gold is very important, and this metal is so useful to manufacture number of ornaments, and these ornaments used for women's, girls, any female classes. And next one, copper. Copper are the 3 common minerals used every day.
And my father.
Next point is, question is, what is an ore? Ore क्या है? क्या होता है ore? Number of time I explain this question in the class and in online also. And where are ores of the metallic minerals generally located? See, this question's answer is very important for you. The rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ores. For any mineral to be called ore of any material, it must contain the minimum adequate quantities of that mineral so that it can be extracted profitably. Next question, name 2 reasons which in natural gas resources in the world as well as in India. So today, firstly, I am saying this. These are 2 important regions in the world. Number 1, Russia and Norway are the 2 regions are rich and natural gas resources. We will write answer of this question in revision notebooks. Which source of the energy would you suggest for you? Rural areas, coastal areas and arid areas. Rural area mostly the farmers, and in the remote area the number of 70% people are living like farmers and tribals and nomadic peoples. Here we use biogas energy, and mostly biogas energy apply in the rural area as well as village. Hydel and tidal energy for coastal area, coastal region. Wind and solar energy, mostly this are generate in the arid zones, any arid regions. अरे यार खड़बड़ Give 5 ways in which you can save energy at home. आपको 5 ऐसे वेज या तरीके बताने हैं जिसमें आप घर में अपनी एनर्जी को सेव कर सकते हैं. In this way, these are 5 ways in which energy can be saved at home. Number 1, switch off the lights, fans and other electrical apps icons which not in use, by seeing to it that electrical devices are operating effectively. For example, defrosting refrigerator regularly and not keeping the refrigerator door open for longer than necessary after using the refrigerator and other equipment which uh, run by the help of electricity. All time you have to switch off. After using, you switch off. So it means you are saving the light and energy. In this way you can save the energy very well, right? Second is use energy effectively while cooking. For example, keeping the eyes of the pans on while cooking, up logging electricity device when not in use prevents and leakage of the electricity, such as saving energy. Now see this correct answer. Which one of the following is not characteristics of the mineral? They are created by the natural process. Answer is they are inhoxibilities. Which one of the following is not producer of mica? Jharkhand, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. Among these, Karnataka answer is clear. Which one of the following is leading producer of the copper in the world? Next is like this: Bolivia, Ghana, Chile, Zimbabwe. Answer is correct is Chile. Which one of the following practices will not conserve the LPG in your kitchen? Means shocking the dal for sometimes before cooking it. Now cooking food in the pressure cooker. Now keeping the vegetable and chopped before lighting the gas of cooking, and cooking food in an open pan and kept on the low flame. So this cooking food in open pan and kept on low flame. By this way you can save the energy. Environmental aspects must be carefully looked and before the building use. Environmental aspect must be carefully looked into the before building huge dams because of the following reason. Dams create imbalance in the earth and equilibrium. Deforestations lead to the environmental pollution. People become the displaced. Cities, villages, and require the shifting, causing of the hardships for the people. Next, flood threats loom large, earthquake threats, and silting of the lakes problems. Most of the industries concentrated around the coal mine. See, this question is very important. Coal is used to source of the energy, and also ये raw material must be industries. Hence must industries ये concentrated and it is around coal mines of the purpose saving cost, transportations, coals and coal activities. Second is petroleum. Petroleum is referred to as black gold. Petroleum is referred to as black gold because it is the black in color. Crude from activities and derivatives are the extremely valuable. Petroleum itself today it is almost inevitable in our day-to-day life. A variety of the products like kerosene, diesel, petrol. These questions, dear children, you will revise today and your geography notebook.